Cancer, this is Tara with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of June 2021. Like always, I will rely on Tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use these angel therapy cards. We also have the Butterfly Oracle deck to wrap up this reading. With respect to your love life, we are going to use this self-created deck. This is a deck which has been created by me. It's a love oracle deck. We also have the link given in the description box, so in case you want to make a purchase, you can do just that. Cancer, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Towards the final days of May, stepping into June 2021, we have the Nine of Wands. This is the energy that you're carrying forward into the month of June. Possibly in these final days, you may have felt exasperated. Maybe you were frustrated because despite putting in the efforts, the rewards were not there. It was not commensurate to your efforts. Maybe you had to dig in deeper. Perhaps there were also those days when you were having disagreements with your colleagues. Ideally, I think you should have been more cooperative with them instead of overreacting to situations that you were there. Largely work-wise, it may have been a bit disappointing. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Chariot card. This is your energy, Cancerians. I think you will get the support to help others. Possibly you're somebody who wants to move, or you'll be commuting great distances. Incidentally, there could be those days when you could be quite temperamental. Maybe there'll be issues with your father or a father figure. Ideally, I think you should resolve those issues and address them rather than brush them under the carpet. This month is also the time when you will understand who's supportive of you or who is your rival. Many of you may also be making those travel plans, or you may be commuting great distances. Influences for this month, we have the Hierophant. Spiritual experiences are quite likely for Cancerians this month. Even life-changing ones are on the cards. Maybe you will realize that the difficulties that you are encountering are all spiritual problems. Basically, Cancerians, you should not disregard your inner voice because it is going to be spot on. This is also the month when you could be overworked. Maybe you're supposed to finish the task, but then time is at a premium, and you could also be sleep deprived. So cover up on your sleep, Cancerians. I think you should also promote yourself. Maybe your loved ones could also suggest an idea which was always there on your mind, but then you had put it aside. So you should make the most of those ideas. I think your boss is also somebody who could saddle you with extra work. This is why also you could feel a bit overworked. The first 10 days of the month, we have the Hangman. I think you're being called upon to take care of your health in this time. Emotionally or even physically, you could be feeling the strain. The stress of work could also tell on your health. Like I said, the management could also increase your workload, or your superior could also saddle you with extra work. This times, your schedule could also go for a toss. That is why you have to be on your toes. You have to be up and about. Ideally, I think Cancerians, you're being called upon to prioritize and adapt to the changing circumstances that are there. Maybe you should use your brains and make the most of the situation, because Lady Luck is also on your side. While working also, Cancerians, you should not overlook the details. Sometimes, your staff or colleagues may play truant. That is why you have to deal with the excess workload. In case you're expecting a higher post, then you could be a bit disappointed. Some of you could also be disturbed on account of the bias that you're encountering, whether at work or on the home front. Nevertheless, you'll be in a charitable mood. I think your goodness also adds to your magnetism. The next 10 days, that is 11 to 20th June, we have the Page of Swords energy. Certainly, Cancerians, you're being called upon to be very firm. Maybe you're somebody who's contemplating about your future. Maybe some of you may want to venture out of town on account of higher education or on account of better prospects, but then your family members could not see eye to eye. That is why you have to make them come around, but then you will insist and be firm about your plans. Some of you could also be dealing with issues with respect to how money is put to use. I think you feel your pockets aren't too deep. Nevertheless, you're going to be quite pushy when it comes to promoting your talents. You're also going to be somebody who's very protective about those whom you are concerned about. There could also be a travel-related work offer for some of you, or you may have to commute great distances. In case you're dealing with clients, I think you should have a flexible mindset. Maybe you should make allowances for them rather than let go of the opportunity. Bookkeeping will also take up your time. By the way, Cancerians, technical issues could also crop up. Maybe you are being denied equipment or gadgets with respect to work. This could also hinder your plans. Towards the final days, that is towards 21st to 30th June, we have the Six of Pentacles energy. You may feel as though money is flowing out. Like I said, you'll be kindly disposed towards people. So in this time, also the expenditure is quite likely. Ideally, I think Cancerians, you should be careful. Perhaps in the past you have not renewed your licenses, that is why you could have to cough up a fee, or maybe gadgets could malfunction, so that is why they need to be repaired. That means that money is being spent on the same. You may also be dealing with limitations imposed upon you by your family members, and this could affect you personally. Maybe you want to leave the roost, you want to travel, like I said, for greener pastures. Incidentally, also somebody who will step in for family members when they need assistance. While working also, you should be very careful. Maybe your ideas could be rejected, so this could leave you a bit crestfallen. In case you're hankering after a better position at work, like I said, you could be a bit disappointed this month, so that is why you may feel at a loss. Largely, I think Cancerians, you need to buck up or you need to pull up your socks rather than give your superior reason to complain. And this is especially true towards the final days. Those of you who are in a good position at work, or those of you who are in a leadership position, could find that your management or the administrator could use you to know the inside story about what's going on within the department. In case you're dealing with the legal matters, I think there could be positive developments. I think this month also Cancerians, you should be careful of your documents or your papers. Maybe you could misplace them. Food treats are also something which you can look forward to. With respect to your love life, I have the card I lost myself in you. The person you're dealing with, Cancerians, is madly in love with you. Possibly he's always thinking about you. He's preoccupied with thoughts about you. Single Cancerians, I think you could be reminded or you could be reminiscing about your past lovers. Possibly you could also have a dream with respect to your love life or a romantic connection that you are in. You will realize that you share a past life connection with this person. That is why you feel overwhelming love for this person. Like I said, you could feel completely lost when you are with this person or when you are thinking about this person. Nonetheless, there will also be other suitors. I think the opposite sex will try very hard to impress you. Maybe you're also somebody who's going to be a real heartbreaker this month. There could be a particular person who could make a last-ditch effort to reach out to you. For some of you, I'm also picking up that unwanted attention could also be there for you. In case you're crushing on someone, Cancerians, I think you'll continue to cyberstalk this person. Maybe you will want to understand his thoughts on the social media. Sometimes you feel that his thoughts are very profound. For some of you, I'm also picking up that you could reach out, or an ex-flame could also reach out to you and reconfirm his feelings for you, but then you have moved on. In case you're in an on-again, off-again relationship, I think you may desire to renew contact with this person. Possibly the final days of the month are the best time. Maybe this person could also reach out to you. Perhaps he wants to unburden his soul. That is why he could reach out to you. There's some piece of sad news which he wants to share. You will realize that this person was always thinking about you, and this in itself is very reassuring. Romancing Cancerians, I think you have plans to settle down. In case yours is a long distance relationship, I think you want to travel to be with this person. Incidentally, this month there could also be opposition to your love life. Maybe somebody could want to talk about your secret romance with your family elders, and this could mean that you have revenge on your mind. Nevertheless, your lover is somebody who is going to compliment you. Like I said, you could look deep into each other's eyes and understand the deep connection that is there. Definitely, your lover finds you quite witty and brilliant as well. I think you are somebody who is going to share everything about your life with him. Sometimes, it could get a bit overwhelming as well, the love that is there. That is why you feel so lost in this person. On the other hand, married Cancerians, I think you should avoid disagreements with your partner. Money could also be an issue here. Maybe the health of a loved one could also mean that money is flowing out or bills have to be paid, that is the medical bills. In the end, your spouse is going to give in, but then you wonder why he has to create such a fuss. Maybe you could also have disagreements with your person on account of how your children are being raised. Ideally, I think Cancerians, you should talk things out. In case yours is an unhappy connection, I think infidelity could be a factor here. Maybe your spouse is linking you with somebody, and this could leave you a bit distraught. Cancerians, you should not put up with domestic violence as well. In case yours is an extramarital connection, I think you should be careful because your secret romance could also be busted. From the angel therapy card, we have this card, Archangel Michael. Archangel Michael is definitely supporting you. He is the one who is giving you the strength to maneuver all the obstacles that you're facing this month. So you should call upon him, or you should derive strength from him. He is like a protective umbrella over you, blessing you with respect to the decisions or the choices that you're making. We also have this card here, gracefully aging. I think in case you're getting older, then you're going to appreciate your inner and outer beauty that comes with aging or comes with maturity. Certainly, if you're very positive in your outlook, then this will also make you glow. In case you're quite young, I think you're somebody who's coming across as someone who's quite mature, or you're somebody who is a wise owl. That is why you're going to be sought after for your words of wisdom. Maybe you have learned your lessons, and that is why you're able to be comfortable in your skin, or you're able to guide others this month. I think some Cancerians, you're also being called upon to take care of your health, or you need to focus on self care. You need to slow down a bit. Maybe you should also have retirement plans in place in case you're thinking along those lines. I hope Cancerians, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading, which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.